So to do a sleeper isometric, we're going to lie on our side in the sleeper pose. We're going to bring the arm to our maximal stretch and then bring it back just ever so slightly, contract the muscle and hold it there, pressing towards the ground. And we're going to hold it for about 10 seconds. And then you're going to place your hand on top and you're going to release. And then we're going to go back into our maximal stretch. Bring it back ever so slightly, and then hold. Continue to press towards the ground. So we're going to start holding with 10-second holds, but eventually you want to try up to 30 seconds. And again, maximal stretch. Bring it back a little bit, and isometric hold for about 10 seconds. If you can hold it longer, feel free to do so. Hold it and then bring it back. And we're going to do this last one and we're going to hold a bit longer. So maximal stretch, bring it back a little bit, and isometric hold. Continue to push towards the ground. And really think about independence of movement so that you're rotating from the shoulder but not the entire shoulder blade. So you want a separation from the shoulder to the shoulder blade and have the rotation only coming from the shoulder. And bring your hand and release and do the other side. We're going to do internal rotation eccentrics. And so we're just going to train one part of the movement. This exercise can be done in different angles. So changing the angle will change the relationship of the shoulder, and they're all very relevant. We're going to do the internal rotation part, and then we're going to use our hand to bring it back to neutral. We're going to use a 2.5 pound plate, or you can use a 5 pound plate. The idea is to really create independent movement of the shoulder, so we don't want to have extreme weight and then have compensations happening. So bringing internal rotation in the eccentric loading and then bring it back so we're not doing the concentric part. And so bringing it down, keeping the shoulder back, independent movement, not allowing the shoulder blade to follow with it the movement or to get the shoulder and upper back rotating with it. We're going to repeat this 10 times with the most independent movement of the shoulder as possible. And we're also going to try it in different angles. So you can do all 10 in one position, or you can try it in different positions. Bringing it wider. And think of this as a prehab exercise. It is not an exercise for bulking up, but it is something that will really create high stability in the shoulder, and it will also create more muscle within those stabilizers. And do the other side.